So we're about to hop into another meeting. Pero wala pa naman yung committee ko. So let's open the package. I got this from Got You. And nag-iingay mga aso natin. Lately kasi, I am considering parang mag-upgrade ng wardrobe. Like most of my clothes, meron na silang prints, simpleng t-shirt, ganyan. Pero sabi ko, syempre may parang away. So sabi ko, mamimili ako ng mga t-shirt na sa tingin ko ay magagamit ko. And pang matagalan na yung aking gamit ng t-shirt na yun. So with that being said, sabi ko, I'll go for plain designs na pwede kong isuot whether nasa bahay or nasa labas. And I got their, ang pangalan to eh. So I got the K-Soft linen, I think. Rich Tita 2 V-neck. First one is the blue one. Isa yung design nito guys. Nabili lang ako ng 3 iba't ibang colors. And first impression, manipis yung tela. Very Rich Tita yung atake, ganyan. Pero I think lang, malaki yung size niya for me. Pack, ganyan. Tapos V-neck to guys, so alam mo yun. Kaya lang yung tela nito, para siyang yung manipis na katsa ang So hindi ko masabi kung presko ba siya. So naka-aircon tayo ngayon and malamig naman siya sa balat. But again, hindi ko mag-guarantee if it's gonna be the same thing kapag nasa init tayo. Also, ang ayoko sa ganitong t-shirt is kailangan mo siyang planchahin. Although pwede naman siyang gusot mayaman yung atake, pero yeah. So this is the blue one. I also got the black one. And large yung kinuha ko na size. So I'd probably get something na smaller ang size. Actually, bakit mas maliit yung fit ng, black lang talaga to. Ayan. Eto, parang mas bet ko yung black. Ang problem natin is, alam nyo naman, madandruff tayong tao. So, yun yung challenge niyan. Madandruff at maaso tayong tao. The last one, I got the color magenta, I think. Magenta nga. Magenta, black, and old navy. And the description nila dito, breathable fit, casual chic, finesso. So anyway, this is the magenta. And Pak, sino ka dyan? Ito ang favorite color ko, guys. It's actually, a lot of people would say a favorite color ko is pink, it's magenta. To be more specific, ganyan. Pwede ito sa kahit anong color. So anyway, pag sinuot ko na siya, guys, itatag ko na lang ulit sa yellow basket. But if you wanna try it out, lagi ko sila nakikita nagla-live. And I super love the transparency when they are live. So we're going to tag din itong mga products na to sa yellow basket. I'll see you at the next vlog. Bye!